Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to talk to you about cleaning your Deluxe Cooking Blender. So if you have Pampered Chef's Deluxe Cooking Blender and you've used it for maybe a creamy soup or something that caused scorching in the bottom of the inside of your blender, the little cleaning brush that came with it may not be enough to clean it. So today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to clean any scorching that may happen on the inside of the bottom of your blender. So let's go ahead and get started. So my blender doesn't really have any scorching, but there's some little staining from foods that maybe just that left a little mark that didn't get cleaned up with the heated wash cycle. So instead of just using the heated wash cycle and the cleaning brush, you can take a cup to a cup and a half of dry rice. So this is uncooked rice. We're gonna put that inside of the blender, put the lid on it, and then we're gonna add this to the blender base. Now, the setting that I'm gonna use for this is the grind setting. So I'm not gonna let it run for the full 2 minutes and 20 seconds because I don't think we're gonna need that much time, but I will show you what happens and then I'll pour it out and we'll check out the inside of the blender. So let's go ahead and get started here. So right now you can see that the rice is pretty much already pulverized. I'm going to run this just a little bit longer to give it a little bit more time to clean those blades in the bottom. All right, let's pour this out and check out our blender. We're gonna just pour this. So this is more like a rice powder now. And those blades look great. I'm gonna just rinse this out. At this point, you could run a heated wash cycle if you needed to, but this is a great way to clean your blender when you've had something scorch while you're cooking in it. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys. If you have the Deluxe Cooking Blender, be sure to check out the playlist on my channel. I have so many videos showing you a variety of different recipes using all of the settings that are featured as part of our Deluxe Cooking Blender. So if you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you any way that I can. And if you're not already a member of my recipe community, go to theflipflopchef.com and click to join there. And I hope you'll also click to subscribe to my channel while you're here today. Look forward to seeing you next time.